What's up, Tech Nation? Okay, today we're going to be discussing the magnetic wireless car charger. That's right, it holds your phone in the car by magnet, and it also charges your wireless charging device right on there while it's holding it for you. So while you're driving, your phone gets charged. Okay, I got the box open, and what you get is an instruction booklet, and you get a power cord, and you get a little metal ring to put on your phone case. It's got a sticky back. And I thought, wow, that little ring isn't going to be enough for the magnet. I wanted something stronger. So what I did was I took a circle of metal and I Gorilla Glued it to my expensive phone case over here, and stupidly didn't realize I was covering up the charging. So when I put that metal device on right there, in the center of my phone is where the wireless charging activates. That prevented anything from wirelessly charging my phone. So I had to take that case and take it off and get a new case for my phone, what I'm filming on right now. And I realize now why this is an open circle, is so the charging can happen. So let's go look at the device. All right, so it's already attached to the vent. We're ready to put my phone on it, and here we go. Does it charge? It's not charging. It's not charging. It doesn't work. Yeah, see, it's not charging.